Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine. In this video, I will be showing you how to see blocked users and unblock them in Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So first of all, open Snapchat. Now go to the top left corner of the screen, there's a profile icon. Tap on it. Now on the top right corner of the screen, you can see a gear icon. Simply tap on that. Scroll at the last and you can see blocked. Just tap on it and you can see the person which you have blocked. Simply to unblock them, tap on the cross button at the right of the username and then tap OK. And this is how you unblock them on Snapchat. So this is it for today. Hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and comment down your thoughts below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.